Hello my friends, today another video in English and quite thick piece of beach in my hand, and today I will try to do my first glue block. Yes, it's a very handy, very useful tool, a very useful jig for lathe, and it will be my first one. It's hard to believe, but you know, it's alive. Okay, so first machine, of course, it's a planer. Second one is a thicknesser, just to make this piece flat. And yes, there is a huge crack in one side, so this part will be will forget about it. Okay, so now I need to cut two pieces, one just for extra, and it will be nearly square. And now I need to find a center, so I'm using this simple jig, simple tool, and now I need to draw a circle just to use some maximum part of these pieces, the easiest part of this job, yeah. And now I need to cut out this circle from inside. I'm using very small jigsaw. Sorry. Yeah, it's a jigsaw or scroll saw. Yeah, it's a scroll saw with a very tiny blade made by Pegas, and two pieces are already prepared. And now, of course, I need to screw it to this black huge piece of metal, and I'll use 6 screws just to make just to be sure that this part not fly away. And it's done. So I'll remove this chuck, and I'll put this future glue block. And now it's time to make it flat. And you see the camera is wobbling on the floor. So it's easy to understand that this part is still wobbling on lathe. So I'm using a huge spindle gouge, and now just for finish, skew chisel. And now it was funny because I was trying to make it flat, and of course camera was behind me, and suddenly I realized that, of course, you don't see anything. But you know, it's alive. Okay, and now I will drill one hole in the middle, just about 6 millimeter. And I saw many types of blue blocks, and sometimes people use it. Sometimes people have this hole inside, but sometimes not. For sure, it depends of type of future works, but it's useful. It's better for me. I think it's better with this hole than without it. And I will use CA glue thick version. And now at my hands there is a kind of spike or skewer, and in the middle, in this hole, you see this metal part. And of course I'm using this glue activator, and now this spike is going in the middle of this next piece of wood. Just keep it tight, few seconds, and voila! Easy, yeah? Okay, and now we will try it, of course. And of course, if you have you see this red piece of plastic close to the wood, if you can keep it tight for few seconds or minutes, just for safe, yeah, just for your safety. But this glue is working very good, so very well. So now I can try, or I can work in this front, at the front. Yes, okay, and now just make this side flat. And the last question and the last part of this movie should be about splitting out, yeah, this two part of wood. And of course, camera, sorry about that, but camera stop recording. But this glue is thick type, so you can easily split it just by sharp chisel. It's really easy. Okay, thank you, bye bye.